perform some assisted PNF stretching on the shoulder, elbow, and wrist flexors. When performing the PNF stretching, if we want to focus just on the shoulder at first, what we're going to do is have the elbow bent. So by having the elbow bent, we are going to take the biceps, some of the bicep muscles out of this, and some of the other muscles across the elbow. And we're going to focus mostly on the origin of the long head of the biceps and the anterior deltoid and other muscles that just cross the shoulder. So what we're going to do is take, with one hand on the shoulder, stabilize the shoulder, then take them into extension. Once they can no longer go into extension, you will give them a couple taps and they are going to bring their arm into flexion and relax. And then you will take them deeper into extension. Another hand position, if this doesn't feel too comfortable, what you can do is go with an overhand grip and let the hand rest on your thigh. So you will just go into more extension, and then you can also use your thigh to guide the arm into extension. And now bring your arm forward and take your elbow back like you're getting ready to elbow someone. And by doing that, we're adding an antagonist contraction. So now that we've targeted the shoulder, now we can start to work down towards the bicep. So from here, we're going to take one arm, stabilize at the elbow. We are going to supinate the wrists and take them into elbow extension. Once they can't go any farther, 2 taps. I want you to give me a bicep curl. And relax. And just take them more into extension. And now we're going to add an antagonist contraction. So 2 taps, give me a bicep curl. And after 4 to 7 seconds, 1 tap, I want you to give me a tricep extension. Okay. So that was the contract-relax and contract-relax-agonist-contract for the elbow. So now that we're at the elbow, we're focusing a little bit more on the biceps brachii, which is going to cross the shoulder and the elbow, and also some of the muscles of supination. Next, we're going to work on the flexors of the forearm. So by stabilizing at the wrist, what we're going to do is grab a hold of the fingers and take them into wrist extension. And give them 2 taps. I want you to straighten out your hands. And do that for 4 to 7 seconds, then 1 tap, relax. And take them more into extension. So this right over here, we're going to be targeting the flexor carpi radialis, the flexor carpi ulnaris, and all the muscles involved in flexion of the wrist.